Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Xavier's Gameplay. Guys, today we have a latest update on our crazy spin game. Today we got an update that the game name has been changed to Crazy Fox Big Win, which is a brilliant one, and we have some good features and good game coming in, because as it's Christmas, so they have updated the game as well as changed its name from Crazy Spin to Crazy Fox. So that's amazing. Now let's dive into the latest version and see what all things they have been changed in the app. So as here we can see, the UI has been changed, the login screen has been changed to Crazy Fox instead of Crazy Spin, and the pets are same as it was earlier. So let's see. Now this is the spin wheel, which is same. The VIP Crazy Fox has some good features. It was earlier also the same, that we get 3 days trial and then per week depending upon the country on which you are. And yes, rest everything seems to be same. But yeah, we have a daily bonus wheel that has been changed. Now earlier it was only to spin the button once and you get some few coins in millions, or depending upon the village in billions also. But now they have added spins, diamonds into 2, which is double of the reward, and a chest where you can get free cards and maybe a spin also. So let's see what I am going to get here. Now as I got 1 spin, so I got 5 million coins, and now we also have one more option here, that we can get one more free spin just by posting this to your Facebook page. Now if you go ahead and post this on your Facebook page, you will get one chance, one spin for free. You don't have to wait for 24 hours or something. So in this case I won't be posting here. This was just a demo method that I'm going to show you. But now, wow, still I got the free spin and I got into 2 reward. Now let's see what do I get. Wow, I got 39 million coins, which is the double as I received into 2. Now suppose if I have received 100 spins here, so as it was into 2, so I would have got 200 spins for free. So this is the amazing feature that they have added. Now if you want to buy diamonds, you can use your currencies to buy. You can buy 10 diamonds. They are currently running 50% off offers, and that's amazing. Now there are some rules to upgrade your daily bonus wheel. Now as you can see, you on level I am on level 2. If the bar has been full on the top right here, if you see this bar, if it has been full and I reach level 3, I get more and more I guess spins or something like that. It will be changed. So let's play a little bit of game. So guys, this is the amazing feature that Crazy Fox has been bringing up. Now if you're new to this channel, so I will recommend you please subscribe to our channel and click on all the notifications, so whenever we add a video regarding any updates or new features added in Crazy Fox game, so you can get this offers and you can play the game on time. So I'm just going ahead and playing a bit of spins, and let's see what I get. Yeah, now I got attacked. So guys, here a lot of players, what they do is they attack friends village. I recommend always attack your random, no matter whoever it is. Use random, save your friends, because everyone had a hardship to go ahead and build the village. So that's amazing. A lot of events going on currently, and I'm getting lot of free coins and XPs. The meanwhile guys, if you're new to this channel, as I said earlier, please subscribe to our channel, and in the description you will also find our Facebook page and Instagram page link. So please do follow our Facebook page, like us on it, follow us on Instagram, and stay tuned for the more update. There are a lot of updates coming this December in Crazy Fox game, so stay tuned for more and more updates. And yes guys, it is amazing. The game is very amazing to play. Every day by day they have been updating the game and getting new and new features. Now back to the card set. There are a lot of new users and existing users. If you guys are if you guys are in need of any of these cards, feel free to contact me via Instagram or comment below on the YouTube channel on the video. So whatever card you need from which set, if I have any extra cards, I will definitely send you guys for free. You just have to add me on Facebook and then I can easily send you the cards. But yes, please try and make sure that you don't attack my village, because it's very hard to build village when you have a lot of less coins and less pins. So try to go attack and attack a random user only. Alright guys, so they are the new features that have been already updated. There are a lot of users who say that they don't know how to redeem a code. So as I showed you earlier in the video, please follow. You need to click on settings, click on redeem, put the code there and click on redeem. You will get your rewards daily. Alright guys, do log in daily on Crazy Fox so that you can receive daily spins and coins and cards for free by the reward calendar event. If you lose one day, you're back to first. So I have few friends that have 12 of them, from which I'm on the 6th, so that's very less as I don't play much, but yes, I play sometimes a lot. Now as you guys know, the December has been coming soon, so stay tuned for all the updates. We will update each and every information about Crazy Fox game. As today there was a latest update, the game name has been changed from Crazy Spin to Crazy Fox, so that's the reason I